I will get another. Now, hello guys. Ni sa Finland. Og summer ni siya, dagat ni. Pero og winter, pwede ka maglakaw ani mag-exercise. Ano ninyo guys, ni siya. Akong i-zoom gamay para makita ninyo. Si auntie.
Hello.
Akong banana.
Banana.
Akong banana. Nya mo ni siya. Mga tao dire mag-walking ni siya dire kay safe man. Kung dili ni siya safe, dili ay allowed nga mag-walking. So nice kaayo, di ba? Dito sa Tumoy kay nice kaayo pod.
In a few weeks we will head about 1.5 kilometers that way. You can show that way towards Estonia by foot.
Mo ni siya. Muning ako videohan jud siya kay arong makita ninyo unsa kanindot ning Finland. Can you put my gloves ani in my hand because it's too cold? So we can tugnaw. So we can go walk now and I continue this video so that you can see how beautiful. The swimming place that if kung makita ninyo na ay tao to nag-swimming dia pero ako i-zoom gamay. Wait, can you remove honey my gloves? I will zoom. Okay. Kana siya. Muna siya. Nada na isa ka tao na tuwara naligo. Tingkawas na. Imagine na katugnaw ana.
Someone just came from the sea.
Oh my God.
I done that by the way.
When you are young.
Yes.
Not anymore na.
Not anymore.
Kana siya nada yung murag buho gamay nga pwede ka maligo. Can you imagine that?
0 degrees.
Can you put again honey my gloves? Make it.
Yeah.
Because this is wait. I need to wait. Can you hold this camera like that?
It's a cell phone, not a camera. I will video shoot this.
You can do.
It's very nindot here.
Bisaya ka daw.
Oo, ako kasabot Bisaya. Kayo.
Tulo ka hari karon.
Ikaw lami kayo.
Okay now.
Back to the owner.
Okay now, ahaw mong dugayon ako video kay para makita jud ninyo bang unsa kanindot ni. Bisag ako gani kay ganahan ko. Ang mga trees kay nindot kay tan-awon ba.
If the weather's going to be cold, this will be our Mecca.
What Mecca?
Like
Smells the
sacred
woods.
place of the Muslims.
It smells woods, honey.
Yeah.
Very good.
Burning
And that is you can swim there. You cannot go there.
the fireplace sometimes. I think they're barbecuing there.
Yeah, I think so. The sausage. Do you want to go? I don't have money here. We buy sausage. Do you want to buy sausage, honey?
No, it's better to still keep away from people, even if they're around.
Saan dagan na kayong tao ba? Murag mall. Murag swimming pool Murag swimming pool. Pwede ka maligo, tugnaw lang. Hero? Shoot kay hero. I'm taking video. The dog. Hero. Diba? Pero tugnaw kaayo dire. Ikaw dong gitugnaw ka?
My face is frozen now.
Ay imong tiil kay imong sapatos, rubber shoes ra jud.
One more time. You know, I understand Bisaya, but I cannot talk.
Aya. Ganahan ka dire dong? Dire? Here?
Oh,
Ganahan ka? Kaayo. Ako pod ganahan. Hala, akong lips kay nagahi na dong. My lips.
After a few weeks, we come here and we will enjoy like mad.
Yeah, my lips is freezing now.
Our dear old Mercedes is there.
Oh, diba? There, honey. Oh, it's nice. Oh.
Yeah, you can go there behind the car. I'll go into the car.
Yeah, I saw. Wait, I will go here. Honey, I need you to cut my...
Yeah,
The video.
Okay, here we are in our fine car. How do you cut it?